Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to set notification sound on Samsung mobile. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first you have to move on setting, then from here just click on this sound and vibration. So after that here you are going to find the notification sound, so click on it. Then here you are going to find the many notification sounds. So if you want to hear this notification sounds, you just click like this and you will be able to hear this notification sounds. And if you want to set this notification sounds, what you need to do is that you have to click double. Okay, just tap double like this and this notification sound will be applied successfully on your mobile phone. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.